Study the changes of all things, create the first and go far. Observe the global situation and trend, pursue wisdom and development. Founded in 1991, Healforce Group is a company integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales and service. Being deeply involved in the field of medical devices and life sciences for more than 30 years, Healforce Group has always led high-quality development with technological innovation, created excellent national brands with ingenuity and quality, achieving a leap towards diversified and digital development, and becoming the main force in the domestic biomedical device industry. Healforce is one of the top medical device companies in China, which is highly recognized by the market for our high-quality products, service and brand image. Healforce Group has nearly 1,000 employees, including a group of high-quality talents in digital medical, electronics, electrical, chemical, software and other technical fields. Healforce products are sold all over the world, and the after-sales service network covers the whole country and many overseas countries and regions. Many companies under Healforce Group have won the title of high-tech enterprise, and Healforce Group has won the Chinese Medical Equipment Excellent National Brand Award and Shanghai Civilized Unit, Most Social Responsibility Award, Product Line Gold Award and May 1st Labor Award and Outstanding Employer in Scientific Instrument Industry and other honors for many times, and won the Caring Company Award for 12 consecutive years. Shanghai Lisan Scientific Instrument Company, Limited, a subsidiary of Healforce Group, is the leading unit of the Shanghai Digital Operating Room Technology Innovation Strategic Alliance, designated by the Shanghai Municipal Science and Technology Commission, and participated in the drafting of the Digital Operating Room Construction Standard. With the government's strong support for the national medical device industry and the deep concern for our group, Healforce has made great progress in our development. In the new era and new journey, Healforce Group actively practices the core values of socialism, strives to build a learning, service-oriented, innovative, and meritorious party branch, and gives full play to the leading role of party building. Under the leadership of Chairman Dr. Shen Qinhua, with the spirit of striving and promising, we will work hard and forge ahead bravely, and strive to write a new chapter. Healforce Group has always adhered to the development strategy of scientific and technological innovation, regarded the national strategic needs as the orient, focused on the pain points of the medical industry, deeply cultivated the core technology fields, continuously enhanced the ability of independent innovation, contributing to accelerating the localization substitution process of medical devices. We always adhere to the four innovations concept of concept innovation, mode innovation, product innovation, and system innovation, and promote 6 new corporate culture of learning new knowledge, researching new problems, adapting to new changes, seizing new opportunities, meeting new challenges, and creating new glories. Keeping integrity and innovation, Healforce ingeniously launches 8 digital overall solutions, including Smart Digital Integrated Operating Room Overall Solution, Digital Laboratory Overall Solution, Digital Anesthesia and Intensive Care Overall Solution, Digital Neonatology Overall Solutions, Digital Rehabilitation Centers Overall Solutions, Digital Telemedicine Overall Solutions, Digital Medical and Laboratory Information Overall Solutions, and Primary Community Medical Care Overall Solutions, helping the high-quality development of medical and scientific research fields. Healforce has a team of engineers with sophisticated skills, strong management and excellent service. Adhering to the service concept of customer-centric and service-oriented, Healforce builds an all-round full-process digital one-stop after-sales service system with commitment of respond in 30 minutes, deliver solution in 24 hours to provide effective, systematic and comprehensive after-sales service for our clients and users. Healforce Service Network covers 6 continents, 8 districts and many countries globally with over 100 engineers and many spare parts warehouses. In addition to our own after-sales team, Healforce also puts great efforts in the building of our channel services and uses regular training, on-site instructions and remote supports to lift the service quality and efficiency. Put the products closer to the market, put our channels closer to the end users, and further promote the secondary sales from the channels. Over the years, Healforce after-sales team has established a reliable brand image with our high-quality after-sales service, assiduous professionalism and hard-working spirit, earns our continuous rising service satisfaction, and builds the future development of the industry. Healforce Group actively participates in various social assistance and public welfare activities. Our company party branch, trade union and general branch of the Youth League jointly carry out disaster relief and charitable donations and actively mobilize employees to assume the social responsibility of corporate citizens to contribute to the creation of a harmonious society. Healforce leads the future with the practice of responsibility, demonstrating the responsibility of our enterprise. During the COVID-19 epidemic, under the leadership of Chairman Dr. Shen Qinhua, as an outstanding national enterprise with a sense of responsibility, Healforce people unite as one and stick to our posts with all will, spare no effort to ensure the demand for epidemic prevention equipment at home and abroad, and use action to practice Healforce temperature of boundless love, helping each other. Healforce engineers stepped forward and went to the COVID-19 epidemic frontline without hesitation, made every effort to help Hong Kong fight against the epidemic, and help build a smart laboratory in Hong Kong Mobile Cabin Hospital. In the face of the government urgency and the needs of the masses, Healforce people volunteer to face the difficulties without fear of the risk of infection, assisting in the transportation and installation of medical supplies for Shanghai Qingpu District Culture and Sports Center Mobile Cabin Hospital and Qingpu District Jujujiang Mobile Cabin Hospital. Hearing the order, we act, move forward bravely, which demonstrates our sense of responsibility. The Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, the Municipal United Front Work Department, the leaders of the municipal government and the Qingpu District government successively sent sincere greetings to us, fully affirming the outstanding contribution of Healforce Group to the fight against the COVID-19 epidemic. Across the mountains and seas, friendship and love for every country, the Belt and Road passes true love. Healforce Group always maintains an open and inclusive heart, adheres to the goal of mutual benefit and common development, accelerates the deepening of friendly and cooperative relationship with countries along the Belt and Road. Healforce is committed to promoting the demonstration and application of our country's technology and equipment in the whole world, and helps participating in the infrastructure construction of many countries and deepens practical cooperation in finance and trade. While continuing to expand the international influence of Healforce brand, let national medical devices go abroad and go to the whole world, and let Made in China light up the world. In the new era and new journey, under the leadership of the party building, Healforce Group will adhere to the development strategy of scientific and technological innovation, inherit and carry forward the spirit of craftsmanship, shape new development momentum and new advantages, and promote the high-quality development of the medical device and life science industries. Work hard and move forward bravely to contribute to the realization of a socialist, modernized and powerful country. Light up the light of hope for life and help the future of national medical care. Healforce leads you to healthier life.